Hi, my name is John, and in this video I will show you how to edit this template. This is the 3D card. Okay, you can see that on hover. Okay, this is a cool effect, and this is accessible. Okay, you can see that this work with the tabs, and you can inspect. Okay, and you can see the accessibility tree. Okay, now this is a link on the heading, and all the card you can click on all card. Okay, but the link is the title. Okay, and this is good for accessibility. Okay, and now I will show you how to edit this. Okay, go to the editor. In the editor you have two options. Okay, the dark mode and the light mode. Okay, if you need the design with the dark background, you can use this, and you can use this for the light version. Okay, for this you can go to the element. Okay, I will see you how to edit this. Okay, this is the section, and this is the card. Okay, this is the element. Okay, the component is the card, and the card you can click on this. Okay, click on the class, and the most important part for edit this is the style. Okay, and go to the CSS, and on the CSS you can edit the border. Okay, this is the border solid. In this case is only one a little underline white with transparency. You can change this on this border button. Okay, this is this border. Okay, this little border for default, and on hover you can change this for the border color. In this case, on hover or focus. Okay, with the keyboard, this change the border. Okay, the border button in this case is red. Okay, and this is for the border, and this is the gradient. Okay, you can see in the gradient the on hover. Okay, for the element. Okay, you can see that on hover. Okay, the gradient change. In this case, this is a black gradient. Okay, this color is the same color of the background. Very important. Okay, same color of the background, the same color on the gradient, and you can change this gradient. In this case, transparent, and the color. Okay, you can set other color. For example, okay, this color, and you can see that now this is red. Okay, but it's important that this color set this color the same of the background. Okay, for the 3D effect. Okay, now this is only for the hover and focus, and for this you can change the perspective. Okay, you can edit this, but it's not necessary if you don't need touch this. You only need touch the this first part. Okay, the code. You can study this code, but it's not necessary that you make change. For the linear gradient, for default, you can go to the transform. Okay, click on the transform, go to the class, and go to the CSS. Okay, this is for before. Okay, you can see that this before, and you can change the this color, for example, or you can change this. In this case, you can set other value. Okay, for the linear gradient, change the percent. Okay, for example, okay, you can set the different percent for default. In this case you can change. Okay, reload. Okay, you can see that this is transparent on top. Okay, if you reload, you can see now the linear gradient change. Okay, it's very important. If you need change this black for other color, okay, you can make this change and play with the percent on the transparency depending on the content on this section. Okay, I will set this for initial value, and this is the content. Okay, very important. Set all content on this. You can set other content, but it's not necessary. This is the heading, very important. Set the link in the heading. Okay, click on the heading and go to the content and set the URL from here. Okay, it's very important for accessibility, for this hover effect. Okay, this is all. This is the background. Okay, you can change the background, and you can change the image. Okay, very important that this image set okay, the transparent background for this effect. Okay, the image, and this is the background image. Okay, this is the text. You can change the transform. Okay, or here for transform, go to the style, and you can change the border radius. Okay, for this you can change the border radius, and this is all. Okay, and for the first cards. Okay, for the white version, okay, it's the same way, but go to the card and you can see a modifier. Okay, this modifier is Fancy Bricks 3D card white. In this case, you can go to the okay, border box. Okay, you don't need to touch this. This is only for initial value, but you need to go to the CSS and you can change the okay, you can see that on the light version. Okay, the background gradient, okay, in this case is white. Okay, you can change this value for other value if you need. For example, if you set a background for the section, okay, for other color, you can change the color and only need change this, and this is for the on hover. Okay, in this case in the editor you can see, but go to the front end, you can see that on the button. Okay, this is a little shadow, okay, for this effect. Okay, for you can see a little shadow. Okay, this is all for edit this template. I hope you liked this, and see you in the next video. Bye.